The next item I'd like to talk to you about is the Metalman 3-tier welding cabinet. This is a great addition to the Metalman cart and cabinet line. The top shelf has plenty of space for most brands of welders. With a reversible toe handle, this can help with lower profile machines to keep from any interference with the handle and the unit's power source cables. It also has a powder coat finish made from 18 gauge steel construction with a 110-pound capacity and can hold a single cylinder up to 100 cubic foot. Has a large 16.5-inch clearance between the top and second shelf, perfect for a plasma cutter or a second welder. Has 4 sets of cable wraps to keep welder and plasma cutter equipment organized. Features a 13.5 by 19.5 by 12-inch locking cabinet for secure storage of welding helmet or other personal welding items.